Most people want to make money from the stock market, and they've probably heard that there's a lot of money to be made. Yes, because investor is how rich people are getting wealthier and richer and better. So the question is, do you have what it takes to make money in the stock market? Do you have the winning strategy? Do you have the right information? Do you have the right tools to work with? Are you doing the right thing? Are you in the right community? But today I'm going to tell you three simple ways that I make money in the stock market that you should know. And this is something you should add into your skill set for 2025. Hi, my name is Julia, and on my channel, I teach you how to make money, how to save, manage, multiply your money through investing in the stock market, because that is where the big boys are playing the game. That is how you build generational wealth. This is how you're going to retire early. And I am privileged and honored to have to teach you that, if you allow me to teach you. So today I'm going to talk about three ways that I make money from the stock market. The first one is long-term capital gain growth. Long term. So I buy companies like Tesla, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon. These are solid companies. They're like the best in their sector, the best in their category. And I get to hold these stocks for 3 years, 5 years, 2 years. All right. And these stocks make me a lot of money. I have a strategy I use, which is I call the profit taking, where I take out some profit and I still allow the stock to grow. And this I teach in my money community. This is why you should be in that money community, so you can learn how to make your money work for you. The second way to make money, which I use to make money in the stock market, is the dividend paying stock. Consider this as profits. So you own a company alongside with me, and every month when I make money, I bring the total profit and I tell you this is the percentage I'm going to give you from those profits, because you are not actively involved, but your money is in my company. So that is what happens when you own dividend stocks. Some of them pay monthly, some pay quarterly, and you earn 3, 4, 12 times in a year. And that is super amazing. That is completely passive income. In my community, I have given them a list of stocks they can actually buy that can pay them in dollars every month. If I am earning it, if I'm doing this, you can also do this. And that is my number two strategy. I'm going to talk about number three, and that is short-term moves. Profiting from short-term moves of stocks. There are stocks that you cannot hold for long term. Yes, there are stocks you can have for long term. There are actually stocks I can buy for my children, and I will leave it until they are 15 years, 20 years, 30 years. But there are stocks that you can own for just 2 weeks, 1 day, 1 month, 6 months, 3 months, short term moves. And these stocks can give you results, but it requires a specific kind of strategy. And that is what I teach in my community. So what do? We take advantage of the short-term moves of the stocks in the market and use them to profit. For instance, last week, a stock called Lemonade moved from $32 to $42 in 2 days, like 48 hours. That kind of move, I'd monitored it, researched on it, and I jumped in and we got in and made good profit. So these kind of short moves are how you can actually make money to build your small account and push your account to much bigger size. And I hope this has helped you to understand that there is money to be made in the stock market. So today, these strategies have helped me to generate good income, and I am a proof that if I can do it, you can do it. Now, if you want to learn some of these principles and the strategies I teach that I show, especially getting that list of stocks, knowing what you should buy for long term, short term, and your dividend stock, which is a great thing that I consider an added value advantage I give to people in my community. Today is a good day for you to join the community. It's time to let your money work for you. So if this is kind of content you like to learn from, the kind of personal tips or information you like to learn, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Smash that like button for me. Drop it in the comment section. Would you like to be in the community? I'll personally reach out to you. Our email is in the description. The link to pay to join the VIP community is in the description. But peradventure you can't afford our VIP and you want to get into the basic level, it gives you an access of video lessons of everything you need to know, and you still get the list. So today, make it a point of duty to add this type of skill sets. Money is a very important part of our life. You cannot take it off. You can't. So today, make that decision, and I would love to see you in class.